Ciranova's Fortico is water-based, extremely scratch-resistant, and comes as a 1 and 2 component option. This really is the new standard for lacquers, and no primer is required. Make sure the surface being treated is clean, dry, and free from dust, dirt, and any other surface contaminants. If the job is a restoration, old finish coats must be completely removed. Sand using the correct method, deep sanding with a 60 to 80 grit, and then finishing with 100 grit. For use with underfloor heating, exotic wood types, or cork, Ciranova's Fortico Sealer is recommended as a primer to give a brilliant, long-lasting, stable finish. Stir thoroughly before use and do not dilute. Always do a test area before starting any project to check product suitability and that you'll be happy with the final finish and colour. You're going to be doing 3 coats in total. When applying to a floor, go in sections, first working on the edges with a brush, and then covering the section with a roller. A short to medium pile roller is recommended for a smooth, even finish. Work in the direction of the wood, letting the roller do the work. Keep an eye out for any missed areas and keep the roller well loaded with Fortico. After 3 hours, apply a second coat in the same way as the first. Let it dry for 6 hours and then do an intermediate sanding using a 120 to 150 grit paper. Clean up, getting rid of all the sanding dust, and then apply your third and final coat. And just like that, a stunning rock-solid finish, which will be lightly walkable after 12 hours and fully cured in 8 to 10 days. As always, if you need further help, the wood care experts are at the end of the phone on 01303 477 555.